Hello makeup lovers, this is my first video in English, so please be kind if you comment below. I show you how I create this look with the PatMcGrath Divine Rose Mothership VII. The palette is this neutral, classy, soft, let's say soft palette. I love this kind of color. The eyeshadow are so beautiful, so blendable. They are great. On the lips, I have a WeMakeup, that is an Italian brand. I'm from Italy, from Genoa. A lipstick, a liquid lipstick, number 27. These lipstick are everything. They last all the day. They last if you eat oily things or oily food. It's a really great brand. On my cheekbone, I put through on some highlighter from Kaleidos, and today I decided to go on with a Space Age Prophecy, and you see how it shines, how it reflects. It's so beautiful. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let's keep in touch. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. I hope you like it, and please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would love to hear your idea and your opinion. So let's go ahead. I just primed my eyes with two shadow face insurance, and then I hope I will remember how I realized it. However, let's start with I keep here the name of the shadows because they are not written on the palette. I will start with Sable Bronze, that is this shimmer bronze color with a quite fluffy brush. This is from Nabla, one of the latest collection, and I will just put it into the crease, into the outer edge of the eye. It's not, there is no need to be more precise, so precise. Just put it into the edge, and then if you see some scratchy, this is my eyes only that are quite scratchy and patchy. You know, I'm getting old. If you are here for the first time, I'm from Italy. I'm almost 40 years old, in about 1 month and a half. Now, with another fluffy brush, I will keep Velour. I will take Velouria, just to soften the edge a little bit. I have a black pot here, but I don't know why. However, just a little bit like that. Then we will go to dip the outer V in a second moment with the dense fisted brush, Skinshow Nude. This is this one here, and just put it onto the lid. Then with the same brush, I'm picking up Extreme Mahogany. This is this matte mahogany brown, and with this one I will just press the color in the outer V. You see here is a little bit deeper and darker. It's not a very dark brown, but it's fine for what we need. This palette is quite soft and fair, so this kind of deep is enough to deepen up any makeup. I'm not sure if this color would be fine on deeper skin tone, but I guess it will work somehow. Then I will just blend a little bit of refined gold between the brown I used before and this shimmery champagne color. It's a champagne, I guess, yes. Just to give a more smooth transition from the dark brown to the champagne color. And then, let me see if the eyes looks quite similar. We need to just push this a little bit out. And then just smooth with a clean brush. Okay, they are quite similar now. I will apply a little bit of glitter glue on the center of my lid. This way, just on the center, just a little tap on. And then, always with my finger, I'm picking up Astral Solstice that is quite glittery. And it's not easy to pick up with the brush, and just press it onto the center to give this light. And I don't know, I love this this shadow. It's so beautiful, so shiny. Okay, some glitters fell down. And with the wipe, a wet wipe, this is from Sephora. It has an awful smell. It's this one. Oh, it's terrible. Okay, the look is quite complete. I will pick up my ink liner from NYX and just apply it as usual, as you will see in all of my video collection. Even the oldest one. I was used to film and to record videos when I was younger, so you will see so many videos where I was about 30. And you will see that I had so many different hair color. Okay, I think it's quite fine now. Let's finish the look. I apply also in the inner eye. Okay, sorry. This is a Urban Decay Black Pencil 01. I think one of the most famous and most popular from Urban Decay. Okay, just a little bit of primer from Wet n Wild on the face. This is quite finished now, so I will change it in the next few days. I think just 2 or 3, no more. Okay, but I liked it. It's, I don't know if it's still on the market or not, but it was quite good. The Wet n Wild is not so common here in Genoa to find. I think I bought online. However, let's keep on. Huda concealer. I love this concealer. It's so beautiful. As much as I hated the foundation from Huda, this is so great. Okay, just a stepping brush, and I push it into the skin. The color I'm using is coconut flakes, something like that, I think. Where is it? Yes, coconut flake. And I think it's quite good for me because A lighter one would have been too light, maybe. For sure, a deeper one would have not worked for me. Okay, I forgot to book. I picked up everything I need, unless an highlighter. Okay, let's proceed with the Armani foundation. This is the Luminous Silk one. It's quite good. It's not so heavy, so it's quite nice. I will keep using this one until what is the word? Perfect gel for foundation? Heat, I guess. It will finish. But it's quite nice for me. The color of this one is the number 2. I don't think it has a name. No, it does not. So yeah, no, it's not. It's number 2. This brush looks like a Real Techniques one, but it's not. It's, I think, a Chinese copy called, let me see, Jorsna. I bought on AliExpress, I think, a lot of years ago, but it's very soft, very good. It works really fine. Okay, here we are. Now I'm working on 2 different things. This MAC Mineralized Skinfinish powder that I hate it, but as you see, I'm near to pan it. So let's proceed, let's continue, let's insist to use it. I use this old brush from Minica. It was a mineral brand. I don't know if it was an Italian one, if it's still working on the market or not. But the brush, it's very beautiful, soft, dense, and with this brush, I found a way to proceed further, to continue working on this powder. Okay. As you may know, if you already follow me, I'm working on this pan, this pan for the contour and this pan for the blush. So with my Morphe brush number E48, this is from a James Charles collection, but I think it's not a limited edition one, it's a standard one from Morphe. Okay, let me wait. I know I didn't put on the mascara, but I will do at the end of the video. I'm used to do as lasting, almost lasting at least. The makeup is really easy and soft, but I think it's quite glamorous. It has some light. Okay, my eyes are okay. Are watering. Is correct, but it's not due for the eyeshadow or the eyeliner. Sometimes it happens. I don't know why. When I'm a little bit tired. Okay. And then this is a Real Technique one. Is the setting brush, and I'm picking up the blush. I love this brush for this blush. No, manzo. Cosa c'è? It's my dog. Cosa c'è? Okay, come here. Vieni su, dai manzo. Here he is. Say hello. Okay, Let's go on. Just to finish this look with this is the Kat Von D airbrush pencil, eyebrow pencil, sorry. It's quite nice. It's new. The color is, I'm not sure, blonde. Let's put on some mascara. I'm using these two, one from Essence and the other one from L'Oreal, the Baby Roll. Give me just a second. I would like to use this WeMakeup lip tint. The color is the number 27. Finally, I will put through some highlighter, and today I think Space Age Prophecy from Kaleidos will be my best choice. It's so beautiful. See? Oh, it has so many reflects. Oh, it's very nice. I'm so happy I picked it up on the wall collection from Kaleidos. So with the Kaleidos brush, H2 Precision Highlighter Brush, you need to be careful.